Visit the Amish Village for a genuine look at Amish life in Pennsylvania Dutch country.
The guests like stopping here because it's not just the house, but you have the farm too. You see the schoolhouse, you have animals, a compact little scenery.
Take a guided tour of our authentic farmhouse and explore our 12-acre village, complete with a one-room schoolhouse, animals, and Amish-made crafts and treats.
They're very curious now to go to backroads and see where the farms are and maybe interact with some Amish.
As you can see, I've got plenty of parking, which is always nice for bus drivers to have good parking. Every tour they get feedback of what they like, and the Amish is usually one of the most popular stops.
We're looking forward to welcoming you to Lancaster County.